everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Podcast, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It's great to be here today.
It really is. How are you doing today, David?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I feel full of energy today.
Ooh, full of energy. That's great. Did you exercise this morning?
Yes, I did. I went for a morning jog in the park.
Wow, that's awesome. How long did you run?
About 30 minutes. Not too long, but enough to make me feel fresh and awake.
Good for you. Exercise is so important for our health.
Exactly. And you know what, Emily? That's a perfect start to our topic today, sports.
Oh, yes, sports. One of my favorite topics.
Mine too. Everyone loves sports in one way or another, right?
That's true. Even if you don't play sports, you probably like watching them.
Exactly. So let's talk about both, playing sports and watching sports.
So, David, what sports do you play?
Well, I like playing badminton and football.
Oh, nice. Badminton is so much fun. I love playing it too.
Yes, it's fast, exciting, and you can play it indoors or outdoors.
Do you play singles or doubles?
Mostly doubles. It's more fun with a partner.
True. And it's also a good workout for your arms and legs.
Yes, and it helps improve your reflexes too.
Exactly. So, what about football? Do you play often?
I try to play once a week with my friends. We usually play on Sunday mornings.
Oh, that sounds great. So, you have a regular football group?
Yes, about 10 of us. We rent a small field and play for about 2 hours.
That's a good way to stay healthy and have fun.
Yes, we're not professionals, of course, but we play seriously.
I can imagine. Do you have a favorite position?
I usually play as a midfielder. I like running and passing.
Ah, the heart of the team.
Yes, but sometimes I get tired very fast.
Me too. I like sports, but I get tired easily.
So, what about you, Emily? What sports do you play?
I enjoy yoga, swimming, and sometimes volleyball.
Oh, that's a nice mix. Yoga's very relaxing, right?
Yes, it helps me stay calm and flexible.
And swimming is a full body workout.
Exactly. It's good for the heart, the lungs, and it feels so refreshing.
Do you swim often?
In summer, yes, I go swimming almost every weekend.
That sounds amazing. I need to swim more.
So, we talked about playing sports. What about watching sports?
Oh, I love watching football.
Of course, I should have guessed. Which team do you support?
I'm a big fan of Liverpool.
Ah, the Reds. They have so many fans around the world.
Yes, and their games are always exciting. What about you, Emily? Do you watch football?
Sometimes. I don't watch every game, but I like big matches, like the World Cup.
The World Cup is special. It brings people together.
Yes, people from every country cheer for their team. It's so exciting.
I agree. Do you remember the last World Cup?
Of course, so many amazing goals and surprises.
Yes, I stayed up late many nights watching the games.
I did too, even though I was sleepy the next day.
That's the spirit of true fans.
Besides football, what other sports do you like to watch?
I like basketball too. The games are so fast and exciting.
Yes, I love watching basketball too. The energy is amazing.
Do you have a favorite player?
I like Stephen Curry. He's so good at shooting three-pointers.
Oh, yes. Curry is incredible. I like LeBron James. He's strong and smart on the court.
Yes, he's like a legend.
Exactly. And I sometimes watch tennis as well.
Tennis? That's another great sport. I like watching Wimbledon.
Oh, yes. Such a classy tournament.
So, if you could try a new sport, what would you choose?
Maybe surfing.
Surfing. Wow, that's brave.
Yes, it looks so cool riding the waves.
True, but I think I'd fall into the water every time.
Haha, me too. But it would be fun to try. What about you?
I'd love to try ice skating.
Oh, nice. That looks elegant and beautiful.
Yes, but also difficult. You need balance and control.
That's true. Maybe we both need more practice before we try those ones.
Yes. David, do you think sports are important for everyone?
Yes, absolutely. Sports keep us healthy, teach teamwork, and help us relax.
I agree. When I play sports, I forget my stress.
Me too. It's good for the body and the mind.
And sports bring people together, even from different countries.
That's so true. Sports are like a universal language.
Yes, you don't have to speak the same language to enjoy a game together.
Exactly. And it also teaches discipline and patience.
I like that. Sports are not just games. They're life lessons.
Before we finish, let's review some sports vocabulary we used today.
Good idea. Okay, listeners, repeat after us. Badminton,
Football or soccer,
swimming,
yoga,
basketball,
tennis,
volleyball,
surfing,
ice skating,
and don't forget some useful verbs. Play sports,
watch a game,
score a goal,
win or lose a match,
practice regularly.
cheer for a team.
Perfect. You can use these words to talk about your favorite sports in English.
Well, David, that was a great conversation.
Yes! I really enjoyed talking about sports today.
Me too. Now I feel like going outside and playing football again.
Go for it, and I'll do some yoga later. Good plan.
So, dear listeners, what about you? What's your favorite sport?
Do you like to play or just watch?
Tell us in the comments below. Practice your English while sharing your favorite sport.
And don't forget to subscribe to Miss English Podcast.
Yes, and if you liked this episode, please give it a big like and share it with your friends.
Thank you for joining us today.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep moving.
See you next time on Miss English Podcast.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.